important that you understand what I'm saying right now. You will lose your timestamp data type when you send from the back end to the front end, right? Unless you're doing like a Firebase one or something like that. But if you do it typically just from a JSON stringify and a JSON pass, where you send data from your back end to your front end, then you lose the timestamp. And I did not know this for quite a while, and it was a big bug. And yes, like, this is why we need to go ahead, and when we send data from the server, we need to go ahead and manipulate it. So I'm going to say go ahead and get the timestamp, change it to date, which is on the Firebase gives us that functionality, right? Then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and say dot get time, and this will give me a Unix timestamp. So if you don't know what that is, a Unix timestamp is very simply a number which represents the time. So it has the time zone, everything inside of it. It's just going to be pretty simple to use. Okay, so that's basically what we're doing there. Okay, so guys, we're almost at 1.3k likes. Oh my god, this is just like insane. Wow, thank you so much firstly, and you guys are incredible. Okay, so we're going to keep going strong. Let's keep on going. Okay, so at this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and say let me go ahead and do 1 second, guys. There we go. All right, whoa, we're almost at 1300 likes. Let's go. This is crazy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and say we've already translated our data as we needed to. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is prep the chats. Right, so I want to kind of prep the chats. Okay, and this is very cool. Trust me, I'll show you how it all works in a sec. Okay, like once it works, it's cool. Like, it's cool. Server-side rendering is cool. Okay, then we're going to say chat res. Right, this is going to be a chat response. And then Eslam said, let's bring the energy back. Let's do it, guys. Let's do this. Get this out. Let's pump the music up a bit. Okay, so now we're going to see await, right, ref.get. Right, so we're using that initial reference to kind of, build everything off of, right? And then what we're going to say is const chat. And again, what I'm going to do here is go ahead and basically restructure or create an object for that chat. Okay, so here I'm going to say create an ID where the chat res is the ID, right? Chat res, oops.